What's up, guys? This is Mr. Jones here, and we are going to be looking at solving systems by substitution, aka the blob method. We've already gone over one way to solve systems, which was by graphs and tables, just finding where the two things intersect in a graph, or finding if two y's were the same for different, or the points were the same for two equations looking at a table. Substitution method is my favorite method because you can use it no matter what taking skills we already have and solving for a variable and just plugging it in. The steps are here. It makes more sense if I go through it as we go through each step. So that's what we're going to do. You can just write this example on the back of your note sheet, or you can take out another sheet of paper if you would like to follow along more directly. So it says find an equation that looks like x equals or y equals. As you see from our two equations here, we don't have either. So we're going to have to solve for x or y. Now, a couple things you want to look for. Which one would be easier to solve for? And I'm looking at both equations. We have negative 3x plus 2y equals negative 10. And we have negative 2x plus y equals 6. Well, the y over here doesn't have a coefficient, so it's probably easier to get that by itself because we only have to move one term. And to do so, we're just going to add 2x to both sides. And we have y equals 2x minus 6. And there we have step one. Now we have something that says y equals. Okay. Step two, circle everything after the equal sign. Okay, so we're going to take our 2x minus 6 and circle it. And this is what we call the blob. Okay. We're going to take the blob and plug it in for the variable it equals in the other equation. So we're going to take this, we see we have a y right here, so you can replace that y with the blob. So we got negative 3x plus 2 times 2x minus 6 equals negative 10. So yes, all we did was see we know that y equals 2x minus 6, so we replaced y with 2x minus 6. Once you substitute something in, you should have the same variables with that throughout the whole equation. So we have only x's now. So now we just solve this like a normal equation. I could have combined like terms first, but I did not. So that becomes negative 3x plus 4x is 1x equals 2. All right, so we have x equals 2. So I can take this x value, it's my new blob, and plug it into either one of these equations. It doesn't matter which one, I'm going to get the same answer on either one. So I'll plug it into the same one we just used. So now we have 3 times 2 plus 2y equals negative 10. Now we just have to figure out what y equals. So y equals negative 2. So our point would be 2, negative 2. And that is our solution. Told you this would be pretty short and sweet. Please let me know if you have any questions or need me to go over anything. Again, let me give you, I should have wrote down another example. We'll just have some examples in class, and I will see you then.